Hello, it's Helen here. Let's make eggless cookie for matcha lovers. It's definitely a go-to dessert for your summer party and picnic. They are super creamy and crispy. You can make these with your kids. It's like modeling clay. I believe you will have so much fun by playing with it. Enjoy these creamy, crispy cashew matcha cookies together. Here are all ingredients that you need. Let the butter to soft at room temperature around 2 hours. Stir the butter at a low speed for 3 minutes until it shows little white color. Add in sugar and mix it at low speed. It takes around 1 minute. Add in whipping cream separately for at least 3 times to avoid separation between butter and cream. It will turn to smooth and consistent texture. Mix the flour with matcha powder. You can buy this powder in Amazon or Japanese store. Sift in the flour to break up any lumps. Fold flour into the mixture with the spatula to avoid the formation of proteins. The spatula cut vertically from the top and flip from the bottom of the bowl. You can use other hand to rotate the bowl. Remember to check there's no white flour in the bottom. Put the cashew in a plastic bag. Use the rolling pin to crush cashew into smaller pieces. It will make the cutting process much easier. Put in the cashew. Mix with your hand. You will see no white flour in your hand, bowl, or dough. Separate to 2 doughs. It's easier to shape the dough and keep in the freezer. You can ask your kids to play with you by forming the dough. Use your creativity to form different shapes. I do that into the cylinder shape. Wrap with the plastic wrap. Roll again to get a rounder shape. Keep in the freezer for 1 hour. Preheat the oven for 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut them around 0.5 centimeter. Remember to cut them as even as possible for same-colored cookies. You need to do it slowly and patiently. You will get around 40 to 50 pieces. Here is a pretty cute semi-circle cookie. Put the cookie evenly in the baking pan. Remember, put the parchment paper on the bottom. Put in the oven for 20 minutes at 320 Fahrenheit. Remember to rotate your pan at the halfway of baking. It helps with getting more even-colored cookies. Here is your creamy, crispy cashew matcha cookies. It's so crispy with a hint of crunchy cashew. The green tea gives the extra freshness. Put them on the plate. It will be a perfect snack for picnic and enjoy the sunshine with your loved one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more food recipes.